All right, let's talk about AI-powered trading bots. On one hand, they promise this incredible speed, but on the other, they can hide some really serious dangers that can absolutely wreck a live trading account. So the big question is AI this amazing co-pilot for traders, or is it just a catastrophe waiting to happen? Let's dig in. And this quote right here, it just says it all. I mean, think about it. 45 seconds for an AI to generate the code, and then a full 25 minutes for an expert to fix it so it doesn't blow up an account. That huge gap between raw speed and what's actually safe in the real world, that's exactly what we're going to break down today. Okay, so let's start with the promise, right? That 45-second code generation, I mean, it's incredibly seductive. It feels like this massive leap in productivity, and it's exactly why so many developers are rushing to get AI into their workflow. Now, here's how the pros think about this, and it's really important. The AI is not the pilot flying the plane. It's the co-pilot. It's a tool that's meant to multiply an expert's productivity, not to replace their judgment or their years of experience. It handles the tedious grunt work so the human expert can focus on what actually matters.
All right, let's get into the weeds here. Before we start looking at all the money-losing mistakes, it's really important to understand what AI is genuinely good at, because honestly, its strengths are pretty significant when you use it the right way.
And get this, in practice, for certain kinds of tasks, AI-generated code works right out of the box about 80% of the time. That is a huge efficiency gain. But, and this is a big but, the real secret sauce is knowing which 80% you can actually trust. And this list really shows you where that trust is well placed. AI is fantastic at all that repetitive, mechanical stuff that follows well-documented patterns. We're talking about things like setting up indicator buffers, formatting text for a dashboard, or creating those standard loops to manage your orders. For example, one developer used AI to whip up 6 almost identical multi-timeframe functions in just a few minutes. That's a task that would have taken a human an hour of just tedious, error-prone copy and pasting, a total game changer for that kind of work.
So, here's the crucial distinction. These are what we call closed problems. The requirements are completely spelled out, the patterns are already known, and hey, if the AI messes up, the error is usually super obvious right away. The real danger starts when the problems become open-ended, the kind where the failures only pop up under very specific live market conditions.
And that right there brings us to the heart of the problem. AI has 3 major blind spots that a simple backtest will never, ever catch. These are those subtle, sneaky errors that can just quietly drain a trading account in the real world.
First up, broker rules. Look, the AI has absolutely no clue about the specific rules and constraints of your broker. It might generate code to place a stop loss that's way too close to the current price. Your broker's server, it's just going to reject that request flat out, leaving your trade completely unprotected. The expert fix, on the other hand, is to programmatically check the broker's minimum distance before you even try to send an order modification.
Blind spot number 2 is a classic programming trap. Floating point math. So often AI calculates price differences in a way that creates these tiny, tiny rounding errors. They seem totally insignificant at first, but when you do that hundreds of times, they compound, and they can completely throw off your strategy's logic. The professional approach avoids this completely by working with precise integer values for pips.
And the third blind spot, well, this one is probably the most dangerous of all: state persistence. AI has this tendency to store critical information, like which trades it has open, in temporary variables. Now, what happens if your trading platform crashes or your server reboots for maintenance over the weekend? Poof, that information is wiped clean. An expert knows you have to save the bot's state to a file so it can always pick up exactly where it left off, no matter what happens. And listen, this isn't just some theoretical risk. This quote describes a real client's disaster. An AI-built trading bot was tracking its trades in a temporary list. The platform restarted, that list was totally wiped, and the bot, thinking it had no open positions, just started opening new ones right on top of the old ones. A total nightmare. The result was just catastrophic. After just a few routine server restarts over a weekend, the account was suddenly exposed to 3 times the intended risk. This is exactly how a promising backtest turns into a blown account in live trading.
Okay, so this brings us to the money side of it all. You might think that getting a bot built super quickly and cheaply with AI is a fantastic deal. But the true cost, well, that often shows up much, much later.
So, take a look at how these numbers play out. That initial $150 for an AI-generated bot looks pretty tempting, right? But what happens when it starts failing in a live market? Well, the emergency rescue and debugging work can cost you an extra $400 to $800. All of a sudden, your cheap bot has become a really expensive problem. The expert build, which seemed more expensive up front, was actually the more economical and, more importantly, the safer choice all along. This right here might be the single most important takeaway from all of this. When a developer tells you something is built with AI, you should hear that as a signal of speed, not a signal of quality. The quality comes from the human expert who guides, audits, and corrects the AI's output against the harsh realities of a live market. So, with all these risks, how do professionals use AI safely and effectively? It's not about avoiding AI altogether, not at all. It's about having a disciplined process. So, let's take a look at the playbook they use. The workflow really has 3 clear steps. First, the human expert defines the task in excruciating detail. They outline every single potential edge case. Second, the AI generates the code based on that very specific, very constrained prompt. And third, and this is the most crucial step, the expert meticulously audits every single line the AI wrote, checking it against a list of known production failures. And this is a peek at what that checklist looks like. This isn't about checking for typos or syntax. It's about survival. Does the code account for broker rules? Will it remember its trades after a restart? Can it handle a sudden spike in the spread? The AI gives you the first draft, but this expert audit is what actually makes the code safe enough for real money. So we end up right back where we started. AI is an incredibly powerful tool. It can speed up development in ways we've never seen before, but it has zero real-world experience. It doesn't understand the quirks of your broker or the pure chaos of a big market event. And that leaves us with the critical question you have to ask yourself anytime you use AI for something this important. Is it serving as your expert Copilot, or is it flying the plane all by itself, completely blind to the turbulence that's right ahead?